Hi there, it's Laura here from iHeart Planners, and I'm going to take you along today as I shop for organizing items at Ikea. Ikea is an amazing place to find things to help you organize your home on a budget. And if you don't have an Ikea near you, it's definitely worth a trip. And also, they have some of these products online, so we'll be sure to link to those when you can buy them online. This Rascog cart is one of Ikea's more popular items, especially for organizing. It's on wheels. I've seen people use it as a side table here, in your craft room, organizing your planner supplies, in the kitchen. It's so versatile. Comes in a lot of different colors, and a cool hack is you can even spray paint it if you want it to be a different color. I've seen them spray painted in like gold metallic, and they're just beautiful. One of my favorite items is they have a lot of different hanging shelves. I love these. They are perfect if you have a smaller space. Look at how much extra storage this is adding to the bedroom, and you can put books, crates, whatever you want to up there, out of season clothes. Also, I think it's really clever how they have this hanging bar that they added, and they've hung the pictures on it, and you could even hang other items that you want to store, like your scarves or necklaces and things on the bar like that. These shelves for books are really cool. Obviously, since you hang them on the wall, it's space saving. And then they have a little ledge right here so you can kind of angle your book. They're also great for kids' rooms if you want those books to be just really easily accessible. And obviously, you could also put pictures on here for decoration. So Ikea has some great furniture pieces that have a lot of extra storage. So this is one of my favorite beds. It's a day bed, and it has 3 functional drawers at the bottom, so that you can store extra things in an organized manner under your bed. Another great product are these magazine files. You get 2 for only $5, so super affordable. You could obviously put magazines, but different kinds of papers, and I like that you can push them in this direction so it hides whatever is inside. What I don't necessarily love about these is they're really kind of a thick cardboard, so they don't feel as sturdy. I don't think they would stand up to as many moves and things, but if you're looking for something on a budget, this is a good option. These are actually shoe organizers, and I love how thin they are, so if you have a small space in an entryway, all you do is pull this out, and it's designed for holding shoes. As with anything though, you could be creative and store other items in here if you wanted to, but it's a perfect solution for shoe storage. This basket, as you can see, is quite large, and I think it would be perfect for storing like extra blankets and throw blankets and things like that, or couch pillows, so they're not just all strewn about. These are the Kugis bins, and this is what you see behind me in all my videos when I'm sitting at my desk. I get so many questions about these, and I love these bins because they're so versatile. They're solid white, so they're perfect for putting labels on. The sizes are really nice. This one is perfect for like papers and documents. It's just the perfect size. And then they nest inside of each other really nicely, so they stack up nicely. And as of this time, they actually have a second color available, this kind of mint green color. It's probably a seasonal option. I'm excited to see if they might come out with other color options in the future, but this would probably be, if I had to pick one favorite from Ikea, this would probably be it. These desks are amazing. I think I have about 3 or 4 of them in my house. You just choose your top in whatever color, whatever size you want. I love that they're lightweight, so they're pretty easy to move around, and they're super affordable. This smallest one right now is only $7. Then, once you've chosen your tabletop, they have a ton of different leg options. So you're kind of building your own desk. And then, once you've got your top, you choose between all of these different legs. These style is only $3, so you need 4 for one table. So that's super affordable. Then what I love about this one, a little bit more expensive, but these are adjustable. So if you want to use it as a desk at some point, and then you want to raise it up to use it as a project table to stand at, it's super versatile. Or if you want to slide something under the desk and you need to change the height, that works great. You also have the option of, instead of using legs on one side, you can use a drawer organizer, such as one of these, and give yourself more storage with your desk. So the options are really endless. These Alex drawer units are amazing for organizing. The drawers roll really nicely and they're pretty shallow drawers, so you can fit a lot. And they also have different options for like how tall, how many drawers, and the width. So they're perfect for like offices, storing projects that are in process, kids' art supplies, and I've seen a lot of people use them for makeup or bathroom storage as well. This is a super cute little set for bathroom organizing. You get all this for only $15, and I love that it comes with a tray on the bottom so stuff doesn't slide around, and it just makes things like functional storage actually look pretty. This shelving system here is like Ikea's alternative to the Container Store's Alpha system. And what's great about this system is it's a lot more affordable than the Alpha system. It all hangs on the wall so you can adjust the different shelves, and it also has drawers of different depths that you can configure. So it's a really great option for maximizing your storage. These plastic drawer organizers are great. They're definitely great if you have IKEA cabinetry because they fit in perfectly. But even if you don't, I like the full length and the non-skid. This is for knives, and then they have a really nice silverware organizer because you can fit a lot of different silverware in one organizer. I like them also because they're very affordable in the white plastic. They also have something similar in a bamboo, but it's a little bit more expensive. This is an item you don't think about a lot, but they have this non-skid clear lining. You line the bottom of your drawer and it keeps your items from scooting around on you. I use this in my drawers and I absolutely love it. So this hanging system designed for kitchens is amazing if you have a smaller kitchen. It gives you loads of extra storage on your wall. You just get the pole. They have varying lengths of poles, and then you buy the various accessories. So these are little bins, but you can also get various kinds of hooks to hang whatever you would like. And so it just adds a lot of extra storage to your kitchen. This pegboard is great for saving space and adding little decoration. It has a lot of different accessories you can get, like this little shelf, these little clips, a little holder here. So this is great for maximizing space and kind of being both decorative and functional at the same time. I love these scub boxes for organizing the inside dresser drawers. If you have the IKEA Himneys dresser, they fit perfectly, but they'll also fit in other dressers and they line up with each other. So this is like the big square, and then they have the rectangle, and then they have the little squares, which are perfect for like socks and smaller items. Also, when you're not using them, all you do is unzip them and then flatten them so they store super nicely when you're not using them. So I love that about them, and you get a whole set for just $6, so they're a great value. So IKEA has several baskets and bins, and they are designed to fit in their Kallax shelving system perfectly. So obviously it's great if you have that cube shelving system, but even if you don't, you could use these bins in different places. They have a couple different options. This one is their much more affordable option, so it's a very canvas finish and a very thick material in here, so I feel like they're pretty sturdy. They fold up completely flat for storage and transport, and then this is the more pricey option that's a much nicer basket finish. So either one of these are a great option.